I absolutely hate iPhones, and today I got a iPhone 11. It's in perfect condition, as you can see. Perfect, good working iPhone 11. The screen works, it's not broken. Oh, I almost dropped it, hold up. Screen works, not broken. If I can get the screen to turn on. I don't know how to make an iPhone. The battery's dead though, but alright. Perfectly good working iPhone. And what we're gonna do today, we're going to destroy it. I got a couple of things, alright? I'm gonna make it in parts, part 1, part 2, maybe even part 3, if you guys can tell me what you want me to do to the iPhone 11. So, what we're gonna do today, the very first one, we're going to burn it, alright? We're gonna light it on fire, see how flammable it is, see if it catches on fire, it look like it's metal. Is it really metal or is it plastic? Will it melt away? I don't really know. We're gonna find out though if it's gonna melt or not. And then what I'm gonna do in the next video, I'm going to maybe roll it over with my car. But we're not gonna roll it over, right? Because if we roll it over, then we know it's gonna break and crush, right? But I'm gonna get an outer case, a very good quality outer case. See just how well my phone is protected for you iPhone 11 lovers. So guys, let's get right into this.